Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online, even for beginners. And you might have seen those videos where people shows that they make millions of dollars using affiliate marketing. But today I'm going to show you how much money channel of my size, right now I have 41,000 subscribers, makes from affiliate marketing. My channel is a tech channel. I will give a realistic figure that how much money you can practically make with affiliate marketing. As you can see, I promote SiteGround, RankMath, WPML, NordVPN, Elementor Pro, Fast Comet, Hosting at WRocket, BlueHost, Hosting.com, Cloudways. All these things I promote. And today I will tell you from lowest to highest which one make least money, which one make most money. So if you're interested in affiliate marketing and you want a realistic figure, not millions of dollars, stick to this video, watch video until the end. There are a lot of suggestions in the video. There will be realistic advice and also how hard it is to make money for a small channel like mine. For the people who does not know what is affiliate marketing is when you promote a product from a company. For example, if I promote a hosting, if somebody bought that hosting from my affiliate links, which I put in the description of the videos, you might have seen one of my videos where there are links to this hosting or this software. So once somebody buy that product or that hosting from my link, I will get a small commission. Okay, without any delay, let me tell you about SiteGround. SiteGround is the first thing I promote. And you can see in last 6 years, I got 3 sales on SiteGround, but I make $0 because you can see the status was cancelled. I don't know why it got cancelled. I never got time to ask them that why you did not awarded me this money, all this stuff. But yes, you can see they provide $40 for a sale, but I get zero money from SiteGround. Next, let's go to RankMath. You might have seen a lot of my videos around SEO, around RankMath plugin. I also promote their pro products, but I did not get so much money from them. And I will also tell you why I'm not getting so much clicks on these things, why they're not converting. I know the reason. I will tell you later in this video. So if you're somebody who's also not getting a lot of conversion, we will also clear that point, how you can get more conversion. You can see from RankMath, I got $17 last year and this year I got $20. So which makes RankMath total $38 I got for RankMath. Next is WPML I promote. WPML is a plugin for translation. You can 2020 I got 20 euros and then they deducted 20 euros. I don't know what happened there. I never got time to ask them. Same thing happened 2024 also. They gave me $20 and then something happened, or maybe they pay me. I don't understand. I don't remember what happened here. This was WPML, was the third one, smallest way where I make money, which was around $40. Next we have NordVPN. There are a lot of people who promote NordVPN on the channel. You can see here I make $43 from NordVPN, and also you can see I got 650 clicks. The important thing in affiliate marketing is you need to see what is your conversion rate. You can see my conversion rate is 0.14%, which is very, very low. It is very, very bad. You know why? Because I never made any video on NordVPN. This is just a link which I put into my videos and somebody bought this NordVPN plan using my link. So it's not that bad. I'm sure if you actively promote these things, even if I promote all these things actively, I'm sure I will make much more money from this. For moving forward, NordVPN is the 4th place. I got $43 from NordVPN. Next is Elementor Pro. You can see Elementor Pro, I make $25 around in 2021 and 2022, I made $25. I did not promote it enough, Elementor Pro, and I do not have so many videos on Elementor. I should be creating more videos about it, because you can see if I have no videos about Elementor Pro, like a proper tutorial about it, I still make some money. If I just make more videos, I'll making much more money for Elementor Pro, which brings Elementor to 5th place. I make $50 from Elementor Pro. Next is Fast Comet. Fast Comet is a hosting provider. You can see here I make $160 from Fast Comet, and you know how much it costs to company? It costs to company $155. This is very interesting. So this is the amount for which somebody bought hosting on their platform, and this is the commission they paid me. Somebody bought a hosting for $21 and they paid me $50 for that purchase. So this is my commission. In some case can be a lot. So here you can see I made overall $160. Even here you can see, if you go here check, it was sale but it was declined. It was unpaid order. I did not get this money really. So I just made $110 from Fast Comet. So it's not 160, it's just $110. Let's go to 7th number, which is Hostinger. Guys, you can see it's increasing slowly. The money has become bigger and bigger, and the Cloudways hosting is the biggest one. I'll show you how much money I made with it. Hostinger, you can see I got 1,000 clicks, and conversion rate is much better than the last one. Even it is still bad conversion rate, 0.5%. And you can see here I got 5 conversion and total is $185 from Hostinger. I think Hostinger gets converted very easily, but I have not done enough work on it. I did not promote it a lot. Still, I made some money with it. It's totally, completely passive income for me. It's just coming from all the links I put in my videos. So on 7th number, Hostinger made me $185. And guys, let me tell you, all this income, it is from last 6 years. So I started this channel in 2020 and now 2025 is ending. So all this money I made in last 6 years. For some people it might be very low number, but yes, it is all passive income. Most of these things I do not even promote. I just put links in my description of the video and I get all this free money. Now let's go to WP Rocket. So WP Rocket, you can see they just moved to a new platform. So they're not showing the complete detail here, but you can see I made $151. It is just for this year. So this is a plugin I promote on my channel. So I create 2 videos about it and you can see total I made $511 with WP Rocket. Very nice plugin. If you want to watch detailed video on WP Rocket and to know how to increase the website speed, you can check the link video in description. Let's go next, 9th number, which is BlueHost. And here you can see I made around 46,000 rupees. If I convert it in USD, it's gonna be around $500. I'll show you in a moment. But here you can see here conversion rate is very low, 0.16%, because again I was not promoting a lot. I just put a link in some videos, maybe one video I promoted it many years ago. Here you can see I sent them 6,000 clicks, but only 0.16% got converted. Not bad for free money. So number 9 is BlueHost. I make $513. Now it becomes bigger. Next is hosting.com. Hosting.com, I made $1,785 with it, and you can see how much money I made to this company. You can see here. So people bought worth $4,547 of hosting from this company, and which made me $1,785. You can see the first sale happened in 2020 and the last sale happened in 2025. And every time somebody buy this, I get $85 commission. But guys, one thing to see here, this money I make in last 6 years. So this also thing to keep in mind. And also this is important to see here, not everything is coming from my YouTube channel. Here you can see only this sales and these sales came from my YouTube channel. But before the initial 5 or 6 sales, 7 sales, they're coming from consultation. If somebody is asking me which hosting they need to buy, I send them my affiliate link and I got $85 from them. So number 10 total from hosting.com is $1,785. And now let's go the best way and the biggest way, which is Cloudways hosting. So here you can see how much money I make. If I just scroll here, you can see on this page I got $1,800, but you can see there are multiple commissions here. If I go to second page, again $1,900. If I go to next page, you can see $169. Overall from Cloudways I made $4,110, which is the biggest number among all these other products I promote. And yes guys, there is one important thing about Cloudways. These commissions are recurring commissions. So if you send somebody on Cloudways, every time they pay something, they pay for the hosting, I get small commission. Basically the number is very low. I don't remember exactly. I'll put on the screen how much commission I get. And most of these, they're not from my YouTube channel. So if you want to know how much money I made overall $7,434 from affiliate marketing. Okay, now you must be asking whether you should be doing affiliate marketing or not. Definitely should be doing it. I'm not putting enough efforts into this. I have a lot of other things to do in my life, but yes, I should be putting more effort into this. And I'm sure $7,000, there might be $70,000 also. In the description, there are links. So if somebody goes there, they buy these products and I get a commission. So there's definitely a good idea, but you need a lot of traffic on your website or on your blog or on your YouTube channel or your Instagram. Anywhere you can do this. If you want to know how to join all these programs, I'll put the link in description. Please check the description, and you can also join all these programs, promote these products and also make money. Second thing, for the people who want to know how to increase more conversion, just make more content around it. Make more content, make it intentional. Like for example, if you create a video, that should be created in terms of promoting that product, and that will convert really well. There's something which really convert very well. For example, I showed you Cloudways, I get a recurring commission. So try to look for these kind of products where you get recurring commission. That will really help you out, and you can build a long-term, very significant income. If you get any information, knowledge from this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that. And don't forget to check the description to join all these affiliate programs. In the end, if you want to know how you can also create a website for affiliate marketing using WordPress or Blogger, check these 2 videos on your screen.